You ever look in the mirror and think, I'm not good enough? Maybe you feel behind, like everyone else has life figured out while you're still stuck. You scroll through social media, compare yourself, and the more you look, the smaller you feel. But here's the truth, you're not broken. You're just believing a lie. The lie that your worth comes from what people think, what you own, or how perfect your life looks. Do you think Michael Jordan became the greatest because he always felt enough? No. He was cut from his high school team. He felt doubt. He felt rejection. But instead of letting it define him, he used it to fuel him. That's the difference. He didn't wait to feel worthy. He worked until his actions proved it. And businesses like Nike, their entire slogan, "Just do it," is built on one truth. Stop waiting to feel ready and start moving. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after. Sitting around telling yourself you're not enough won't change a thing. You don't build self-worth by talking yourself into it. You build it by doing hard things, keeping promises to yourself, and showing up even when you're scared. You're not supposed to feel enough right away. You grow into it. Every rep, every choice, every moment you refuse to quit. That's where enough is built. So stop waiting for someone to crown you worthy. Stop measuring yourself against everyone else's timeline. You already have what it takes. It's just buried under fear and excuses. Comment enough and subscribe if you're ready to stop doubting yourself and start proving you are more than enough.